Hbar at the time of this recording continues to see higher prices and has now managed to give us a substantial break above a horizontal line of resistance above the 0.25324, flipping that key area back into support. And on today's update video, I will be discussing reasons why we can easily get to new all-time highs in the next coming days. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video on the daily chart, I believe that from the lows we made in November 2024, we saw this aggressive bounce to the upside in a move that peaked above the 0.4 mark, completing the formation of this impulsive additive count 1. We then started a bit of a corrective structure in the formation of this second wave, and the minimum target areas for the second wave have been highlighted on the charts using that red target area, an area that I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the lows we made in the formation of that first wave to the high of the wave 1. And on so doing, the minimum pullback target area for the second wave was between the fib level 0.5 and the 7.8, and that was between the 0.22 and the 0.11849, an area that we have now fully maximized. And there's a very high chance that the low is now in the formation of this wave 2, and a bounce is now imminent in the formation of this wave 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that first wave, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the low of that second wave. And on so doing, the area that I am paying attention to lies on the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.7686. And if that target area is hit, then Hbar will be able to put in place a new all-time high. Then we can expect a bit of a short-term pullback in the formation of that additive count 4, and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side, possibly giving us a break above the 1 USDT mark. We also need to have in mind that in the formation of this wave 3, which is an impulsive wave, we also need to expect a 5-wave structure to play out within the formation of that wave 3. And I believe that we have such a case scenario over here from the lows we made on the 22nd of May, where we can term this initial bounce as the formation of that first wave. And there's a very high chance that the high is almost in, and soon we might start a bit of a short-term pullback in the formation of that second wave before we can continue pushing higher in that wave 3, a wave 4, and then finally get the all-time high in the formation of that wave 5. But for now, we still don't have any topping structure, but soon I'm expecting that we are going to get a topping structure and then get a bit of a short-term pullback in the formation of that second wave. And assuming that the high is in the formation of that first wave, to get the minimum pullback target areas for the wave 2, all we need to do is just connect the Fibonacci's from the lows we made in the formation of that first wave to the highs we have made in the formation of that first wave above the 0.29789. And also doing, the area that I will pay attention to as a minimum pullback target area and also as a Fibonacci key area of support lies between the fib level 0.5 and the 7.8 and the 618, and that is between the 0.21158 and the 0.19122, which is the area over here. So in case of any pullbacks, that is the area that you need to pay attention to, and on holding within that area, we should easily get a reversal to the upper side in the formation of these wave 3. So that is the price action that I am expecting here on the Hbar chart on the short term, and let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.